po yung finished product natin. Yung chicharon na walang laman. And shrimp. Guys, so ngayon po is I'm going to show you my own version of munggo. So, yung ingredients po natin is we need some onion and garlic and of course tomato and chicharon. This is the only thing that I can find in my store. This kind of chicharon, so I'm going to use this. And shrimp, and of course yung munggo, pinakuluan ko na po siya. And we need some canola oil, and we need some peppercorn, and patis, and of course sea salt, and yung spinach, this one. This is the only thing that I can find. Wala akong mahanap na malunggay, so I'm going to use spinach. Alright guys, so that magigisa na po tayo. Naman guys, yung munggo natin, yan, kumukulo siya. And guys, first na ilalagay po natin is yung shrimp. Here. Yung ba? Guys, so hintayin lang natin na maging golden brown yung bawang natin. Guys, so next is yung onion. And guys, so medium heat lang siya. Next po is yung kamatis natin. Alright guys, so wait lang po natin sila. So I'm going to top it. Okay, so tignan na po natin. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. So ito na guys, okay na siya. Next po na ilalagay is yung munggo. Oh my god, ang init. This one. So, takpan ko po ulit, and then if we need some water, maglalagay po ako ng water. Guys, so I think I need some water, so I'm going to add 1 cup of water. There you go. And haluin po natin siya. Alright guys, so pakuluan lang po ulit natin. Guys, let's see our munggo. Ouch! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yan. Kumukulo na siya guys, so tikman ko siya kung anong lasa. So, hindi ko pa nga linagyan ng pangpalasa, but I wanna try. I think I wanna try some munggo. Oh my gosh. Mainit ata. Ouch. Alright, so it's lasang munggo. So So guys, next is I'm going to put some this one salt, this kind of salt. So, tikman po ulit natin. So, napakuluan na siya with the ingredients. I mean, with the seasoning. So, tignan natin yung lasa niya. Here. This one. I'm going to add na yung shrimp. This one. And of course, spinach. If this is our spinach, ilalagay ko na siya. And so, oh my gosh. Ilagay lang natin sila sa ilalim. Spicy, so I'm going to put now. And yan yung spicy natin. And of course, next na din yung chicharon na walang laman. And lahat na siguro. Yan. Tignan natin kung anong mangyayari for the chicharon because there's no laman. And I'm going to plate na and I'll be right back, guys. Guys, so ito na po yung finished product natin. Yung chicharon na walang laman and shrimp, spinach, and yung chili. And guys, thank you for watching.